Welcome to AW Services, a bit of a hints and tips video for any DIYers, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, anybody that is fishing wiring or using fish tapes or rods to locate wiring in voids, cavities or lofts. Normally, if you say, for example, if you wanted to put a socket in, you wanted to put some 2.5mm twin and earth down some conduit, and you are poking around in the loft and you're putting your fish tape or your rods in, it normally takes quite a while to locate that rod if it's coming up through a cavity, or if you're working on CCTV outside and you're running Cat 6 and you're doing a PoE system and you're putting your rods up in the loft and you can't find them. A good top tip that I've always done is always have a packet of cheap Poundland necklace style or wristband glow sticks, just over £1, or from Lidl. They often do these fishing glow sticks. Just simply sellotape one onto the end of your rod, carry some tape with you, crack the glow stick, and then that will start to glow. You can put your rod up into your loft space, for example, up into your conduit, and you can then locate that in the loft very easily, because most lofts are quite dark, even if you're using a head torch or work light. But I thought I'd share that tip, something I've done for a while, something I'm doing now, and it may help you. If you like the video, subscribe to AW Services, help the channel grow, click on the bell icon for notifications, share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching AW Services.